loves, welcome back to the channel. This is the house of R.Lateish. If you guys are new here, my name is Letitia. Today we're going to be working outside, but of course it's too loud out there, so I came back in so I could record for you guys in peace. But I do want to share a small haul with you guys before we actually get started. We're going to be beautifying the patio for summer. Now when it comes to the grass, our grass is completely brown. If you guys did not know, Europe had an extreme heat wave, and when I say that killed our grass, the grass is completely dead. So I do not know what we're going to do to revive the grass, but in the meantime, I still want my patio to look pretty. So I'm going to share the items that I'm going to be using in today's video. One is extremely large. I'll share that with you guys when we start building it. It's going to be an egg chair. Our old chair had to go. The seating or the basket for it is basically broken at this point. The I guess whatever the weaving is that's holding it together, that started to unravel. But that chair is really old. That chair was around from my husband was a young boy, so it's about time to upgrade. It's an old chair that we just kept when we sold our house. So we just kept it until it was time to upgrade, and I'm so happy for the upgrade. But I'm going to share the other items that we're going to be using that I can actually hold in my hand and share with you guys. If you guys are familiar with my patio, then you know that in the taller planters we have some palm trees, and I really need to update them because they are literally falling apart. One only has stems and no leaves, or barely any leaves, and it looks really bad. So I decided to go on Amazon to find some palm trees to replace them, because the first ones, those ones that are out there now, I bought from Jusk. It's a German furniture store, let's say that. And I really liked those, but I didn't want to spend that kind of money, and these were really affordable on Amazon. I will try to link it. Now on Amazon it did say that it was for outdoor use. It said it was labeled outdoor plant, but when I received it, it said indoor plant but can be used outdoors under a covered patio. I don't appreciate that. Because I specifically looked for outdoor plants, and the company looks really nice. They had a lot of videos from customers, and the ratings were really good, so I decided to give it a chance. But it said indoor. I'm probably going to just reposition the planters so that I can use it on the patio anyway, because it's already here. So it comes like this, already in a small planter, but I'm putting it in a bigger planter, and then it also comes with the extra stems to assemble. I'm going to show you guys me putting it together so you can get an idea of how it looks when everything is already assembled and completed. If you guys are interested, make sure check my description box. I'm also going to link my LTK for you guys as well. I had to go ahead and grab a scissors or something for this one because that is tight. These are some ferns, or the stems for ferns, that I want to use as well, but alongside other plants, just to make it look more juicy and zhuzhed up. They really wrap this. Okay, now that we have this off, they come in little packets. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 little packets. Now I did buy the palm trees in a set of 2s, so yeah, it was much more affordable with the set of 2. Okay, so this is how the little firm stems look. Fern stems. I think I said firm. Fern stems look. And I'm just going to add these in the other planters because I didn't get to plant, guys. I really wanted to, but I didn't. And I think the heat wave would have killed it anyway because we do have another heat wave coming through really soon. So I just don't want to chance planting anything. So this is how the ferns look. They're small little stems, and I'm just going to add them in the smaller planters along with this because it has a similar stem like the fern. And as you guys can see the vision. You guys can see the vision. So I'm going to mix these with the ferns, and I also have another stem right here. So this is the other stem. They have a very, very strong chemical smell. They're going outside anyway. But this is how it looks out of the plastic. I actually like this one the most. This looks really, like, really pretty. I really like this. I should have gotten more of this. I should have gotten more of this to add with these because it gives more of that green look, or this could have been by itself in one planter, you know what I mean? But we're gonna figure that out together. But that is pretty together. And then of course I'm going to mix it in with the fern as well, so you have a nice contrast of different greeneries and, you know, colors together, greens together, and that pop of white just to brighten up the patio space because I have a lot of grays on my patio. I think this is going to look really, really well. So while it's still cool outside, it's nice and early in the morning, I'm going to put on my work suit. You guys know the black on black on black. I'm going to put on my work suit and we're going to go outside and get this patio together for the summertime. And do our best to get it together for the summertime while this heat wave is about to come back again next week. Yeah, let's do it. We started off with the largest project, and that was the egg chair. It took my husband maybe 10 minutes to assemble, and I absolutely love this egg chair. As you guys can see, the basket collapses, so it's easy to store away, and that's what we wanted. We wanted something that when we have those stormy days and we need to bring everything in, it was easy to store away. Now it's time for the fun projects. I'm going to create my flower arrangement for my planter. If you guys are new here, I absolutely love putting flower arrangements together, especially faux flower arrangements, just to make sure that, you know, you can create different looks without having to buy flowers all the time and having them die. And to me, it feels like a waste of money sometimes. So I'm just going to put an arrangement together that I feel will complement our patio. Unfortunately, I can't remember the name of this stem, but if I do find it on the paper, I'll put it on the screen for you guys. I just went in a pattern, just adding them around the planter. It was no rhyme or reason. I just went in and placed it where I thought it would look best. So I started off putting the ferns to the edge, and then I just went in with the other greenery in the center or closer to the edge, and then the flower right in front of the set of 2 greeneries, if that makes sense. You guys can see what I'm doing, but it turned out really lovely. Like, you cannot tell that they're faux plants. At least I can. Not from far, you can't. It looks really, really good. The plans were to throw away all of the old palm trees, the smaller palm trees, but this one actually had all of its leaves. It is a bit dusty and needs a good wipe down, but it's outside. So I decided to keep this one, and the other one on the opposite side that was completely destroyed and just needed to be thrown away. I threw that one away and decided to keep this one. And what I did was add it to the center of the planter as another palm tree, because I just feel like palm trees make my patio feel tropical. I feel like I'm back home, maybe, I don't know, but it gives me that tropical escape kind of feel, like I'm on vacation. This is my little getaway place, and it just gives me that feeling of relaxation, vacation. So I just added that to the center, and I went around with some of those stems, and I just created a bottom layer of greenery and I guess flowers, just to zhuzh it up a little bit more. And I think it turned out really good. What do you guys think? I do like how this looks, especially that extra green plant. I absolutely love that plant. I don't know why I love that plant so much, but I do. After creating this second planter arrangement, I want to say I was left over with about 3 or 4 stems of each sort. So maybe I'll take the leftover stems and create little bouquets for my hanging planters. But I have to figure out how I'm going to place them in there so they do not fly away. So we'll get back to that another time, or whenever I figure it out, I'll just show you guys. For the old dirt and the extra stuffing that was inside, that I wanted to get rid of it because it did start to mold and whatnot, but I came up with a really good idea so that I don't have to deal with that anymore. These palm trees were the perfect size for my small patio. I can't remember the exact height, but I think these were 3 feet or something like that, 3 to 5 feet, not too sure, but I'll put everything down in the description box. If I had gotten the large or the taller size, I think that would have been way too big for my patio. It would have taken up a little bit too much space. These were the perfect size. If you guys haven't tried full plants on your patio, you definitely need to, because these came in clutch and I don't have to water them. So instead of adding dirt this time so that my planter has some weight and doesn't fly away, I went in with bags of sand and I didn't open them. I just rest the sand inside the planter and put the plant on top, and the bag of sand literally hugged that planter. It did not move after placing it in. This was a perfect hack. I absolutely love this idea. This was so good. We have officially reached the end of our summer patio backyard makeover. As you guys saw, the grass is nice and brown, so we're not going to be dealing with that. We're more treating it so that it comes back to life and those stuff. But I will keep you guys up to date on what we're doing to revive our backyard. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hype this video if you enjoyed it so that it gets out to more viewers. Thank you guys as always for spending a little bit of your time with me. I always appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So as always, until next time, auf Wiedersehen.